Hello, everybody, and welcome back. Hey, is my hat crooked there? Welcome back to the Crypto Bull Channel with your host, William. Today, guys, we're going into a frigid little area of the world of crypto. We're going to a cold place out there, but with your new favorite penguin family. That's right, we're going to be talking about Pudgy Penguins. It's a cool little project. Oh, I always click the wrong button. Get out of there. All right, let's go to the real deal. All right, there we go. Look at those little Pudgy Penguins. Guys, before I get into any of this coolness, no pun intended, I am not a financial advisor. Don't claim to be, never have, never will. So get off this channel if that's what you're here for. We're here to talk about new projects, new news about crypto and the world of crypto. But we're not here to tell you what to do with your money, so you need to go find someone that is, and that's not us. Down in the description, guys, you're going to see all the stuff that you need to know about and all the links you need to click. That's where they're at. Also, there is a subscribe button down there. Please go ahead and click that if you have not already, so that you are a subscriber to the Crypto Bull channel and a member of our beautiful family. Also, click that notification bell so that you get notified of all of our future amazing Crypto Bull channel content. Oh, yeah. Guys, let's talk about Pudgy Penguins. All right, you feel nothing but warmth. I feel a little bit frigid, but that's a good kind of frigid because Pudgy Penguins has captured the hearts of millions with toys in homes worldwide. Guys, over 50 billion with a B social media views and a loyal, ever-growing fan base. These guys are no other crypto-born character. These guys have no other crypto-born character. I can't say it today. They just have a really amazing character. How about that? Pengu is going to be the face and the mascot of Web3, ladies and gentlemen. So look out for that. Pengu, by the way, is their token. So that's that. So let's talk about their underdog story, shall we? But it wasn't always smooth sailing for Pudgy Penguins, because after the initial hype, they faced what's now known as the Great Blizzard. Mocked by the crypto community and dismissed as a passing trend, the Penguins hit a rough patch. And you're like, how could these cute little penguins hit any kind of a rough patch? Look at these guys. This is the team. Anyway, it's freaking great. But whatever. This wasn't the end. It was the beginning of a remarkable transformation, because the Pudgy Penguins community rose to the occasion and initiating the greatest community takeover CTO in Web3 history, guys. And that turned the tide, providing that these underdogs can achieve greatness with resilience and the power of, guess what? Yeah, community. Let's see some of their community-led efforts. Hello, Austin. Hello, Lorenzo. Look at Peter. Peter, you're silly. So, excuse me. Yeah, it's a little bit early here. They got all kinds of stuff, guys. Like, let's just go through it real quick. They got merch. That's right. Igloo. Super cool stuff. I like their little photo shoot they got going on. Now, you don't see a lot of crypto projects with merch like that, and these guys look legit. So definitely check out that merch if nothing else. They got NFTs, guys. They've got some sweet NFTs, and I like what I'm seeing. It's simple but cute. This dude right here. I don't know what's up with this. I like it. It's interesting. So yeah, go ahead and check out the description below so you can click on these links and find what I'm looking at. We got a dude with a fish and a monocle. You don't see that every day. Some cool stuff, though. An interesting, fun vote for Pudgy. So we got some callbacks to... what was that movie? I don't know, but it was funny. It was Vote for Pedro, though. Can't believe I'm drawing a blank on that movie. You guys are probably in the comment section going, what the hell, William? It's this. Please leave it below. All right, so they got lots of stuff. We can see what they're trending like in the candle space, right? So, Having a little bit of a dip right now, but that's all right. You can see they had some growth. We have a steady trend down right now, but you know how that stuff goes. I see bright future. It's not down in the dumps yet, so let's look out for it. You know, it's a brand new thing. Give it a chance. So what does Pengu represent? Well, that's a good question. What does Pengu represent? Let's go back to their beautiful faces. Yeah, so Pengu is more than just a token, guys. It's a symbol of the underdog, and it stands for universal appeal, mimetic culture, and triumph against all of the odds. Because by holding Pengu, you're aligning yourself with this inspiring story, and you're not just a fan. You're a part of that journey. Because as a beacon of positivity and creativity, Pengu is a token for the people, by the people. I think isn't by the people, for the people, by the people. I don't know. I'm in a weird place today, guys. But not because I'm in a weird place here, because I'm in a weird place in the cold tundras of the north with all these penguins. It connects hundreds of millions of fans who believe in the story and the future of these guys. What in the heck could you possibly have cultural impact on? Well, Pudgy Penguins isn't just a crypto brand like all the others. It's a cultural phenomenon. And they've got toys flying off the shelves and digital collectibles that spark joy. They got that clothing line I just showed you. They got NFTs. It's clear to the world that they can't get enough of Pengu. And from its Web3 roots to becoming a mainstream icon, the Penguins embody play, they embody imagination, and they embody the power of community. We have been saying community a lot, so that is what you need to take out of this more than anything. Pudgy Penguins. Let's go back to that menu. I think I showed you most of that stuff. Oh, they're also on X, guys. So if you need to know anything new about what's going on with them, any kind of on the nose news, you need to come here and you need to check it out. Check it out. Let's check out this video. So,
and summoned a divine power.
I definitely want to watch the video.
It began with the rise of the liquidity extractors. Countless projects emerged, each a beacon of hope. Yet most succumbed to greed and folly. But in this frozen expanse, a group emerged that could brave the cold. Using their unbreakable bond, the Pudgy Penguins forged a warm light in the cold, endless darkness, and summoned a divine power. The penguin gods bestowed upon them a golden egg, a symbol of their collective might. And so they nurtured this egg with their unity, their strength, and their will to hatch a master coin. One coin to rule them all.
That was like the forging of the One Ring. Lord of the Rings literally is my favorite stuff in the universe, so I really, really appreciated that video. It was super cool, and she definitely sounded like Kate Blanchett. Guys, I really like this project. Super fun. Super fun. Believe in Pengu, guys, because Pengu believes in you, and you can join the millions who've fallen in love with these beautiful, pudgy little penguins and their incredible stories. So whether you dig it for the merch, the collectibles, or simply embracing the good vibes, these little guys, the world of Pudgy Penguins is waiting for you. That's right. So go ahead and spread the warmth and make the journey even more extraordinary, not just with yourself, but with that community all together. Guys, my name is William. This is the Crypto Bull Channel. You're amazing. This was the Pengu Pudgy Penguins coin. Definitely check it out. Link in the description. Really cool stuff. I really like that video. So catch me in the next video. I'll be there. You know it. Stay amazing out there. Stay classy. Peace.